I found myself in constant struggle instead of, this attractive, relaxed, cool person vibes. I was constantly trying to manifest by affirming, scripting, meditating, visualizing, watching YouTube videos, listening to podcasts, and I was all over the place. And I tried everything. I know you did too. I tried everything, but nothing really worked. I was manifesting on and off, but it was by chance. It was by luck. I didn't even know how to make it constant, long lasting. It was like a skill that I wasn't even aware of how to use. It wasn't accessible to me. Isn't this driving you crazy? I was always like, okay, I can do this. I've done this several times, but how I'm going to apply this in a bigger matter? How I'm going to apply this in a situation that I feel the most stuck and victim? Then I figured, and I will share this with you. The simple and easy point. It's just a point. This is just an element, like a key point in this whole big picture, but this is the key. Once you know and apply this, you really don't need any other techniques or methods or content or consumption. It's super simple, and I will share this in a second, but before that, I think it's the most important to know why we need these techniques, why we are using these methods. Because most of the time it's not from the place of inspiration, the place of love, but it's more from the place of lack, need, want, right? And so we try manifesting. We use these techniques to get something. This is the problem itself, to want something, to need something, to try something, because manifestation should be easy, effortless, and natural when you're aligned with that version of you that has everything you want. This is a matter of alignment. This is a matter of identity shifting. I'm here, my 1.0 version. Once I'm aligned with my 2.0 version, make that identity shift and start living in the end, like Neville Goddard says, start living in the end by making different choices. If you're another person, you choose differently, you act differently, you feel and think differently. That's the matter of identity shifting and alignment. And why we need to align ourselves. Because your life today and your past has been driven by your subconscious mind, which is full of limiting beliefs that we learned from our experiences, every kind of shit that this society taught us, all the unworthiness, lack, victimization, inequality, fear, anxiety, all of that we learned, and it became subconscious, and it's become our natural state. 95% of our daily lives are run by our subconscious mind. So if your past has been run by the same subconscious mind which created today, which is not pleasant to you, that you want to change, the reason you have a desire is because you're not happy with this. At least to a certain extent, you're not content with this. That desire shows you that you need to change something in your subconscious mind so that this 95% of your actions, feelings and thoughts can change. Wanting and needing something shows you that you need to change something in your life. To change your life, you need to change yourself. To change yourself, you need to change your subconscious mind. To change your subconscious mind, you need to create a new narrative, repeat it until it becomes subconscious, natural, easy, effortless. That you don't need to choose it anymore because it's subconscious. That you don't need to be aware of it or mindful of it anymore because it's subconscious. Because it's automatic. Because you don't even need to think about it. It's your natural state. It's who you are. Do you think about it when you're blinking your eyes? No, because it's who you are. Do you count your heartbeat? No, because it's who you are. You don't count it. It's your natural state. It's you. It's how you exist in this world. This is why we are reprogramming our subconscious minds And to reprogram your subconscious mind, you need a convincing story to repeat every day throughout the day until you believe in it, until it becomes your new belief, your new reality, your new identity. So we don't really need a variety of techniques. No, we only need one or two that will feel easy, effortless, and natural to you to practice. So what I suggest and what I found super easy and convincing for me is that I do 2 kinds of scripting together every day, morning and night. In the morning, I'm writing gratitude pages. And this gratitude I feel is not for the day that I woke up to. It's for the day in a desired reality of mine, and I'm grateful for it. I want to impress the universe. I want to show God that I deserve it. I know how wonderful, worthy this reality that I have, and I will make the most out of it. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything you give me, so I'm grateful for it. I want to show you that I'm worthy of it. I want to show you that I'm aligned with it. Since gratitude is one of the highest vibrations of all, it's difficult to get into that. But if you can, it's the most effective. So this is why I choose gratitude. I start my day by aligning myself with that vibration. Not only with gratitude, but also with the desired reality, with the 2.0 version of me that is living in the end. And throughout the day, I appreciate everything I have because I already have it. This is a practice of living in the end, a practice of emotional alignment. You can also visualize it if you need to. You can combine those. You can do that in a meditation. That's completely fine. But write down the reasons why you're grateful in your desired reality. Why and how much you are grateful for it. Second, at night, before I go to sleep, I journal about my day from that desired reality. Maybe you already tried this and you know how impactful this is. It's huge. Huge, not because I write down, thank you universe that today I edited my video on my new MacBook. No, these materialistic things that you have in your day is not the reason why you're grateful for the day. It's not the reason why you're jotting down your thoughts and feelings to a journal. It's not why you're journaling. You are journaling because this day from your new reality has some struggles, right? It's not going to be your best day every day. You will again have new desires for a new reality, for a different future. So you will have problems, struggles. It will be maybe tiring, exhausting. Maybe you will have to deal with so many things that will come with your desires, like all that. If you're trying to manifest a villa, a certain amount of money, or a relationship, these all will bring some responsibilities. These all will come with their own responsibilities, their own procedures, their own necessities. So think about it. At night, when you get in your bed, turn a new page in your journal and you're gonna write down your thoughts about the day. Do you think you're gonna even mention your new car or new MacBook or how much money you made that day? I don't think so. I think you will think about how it feels for you, what it made you do that day. Like, for example, I pay taxes, right? Because I make 50 grand a month. But I talk about taxes. I talk about how difficult it was for me to file my taxes. It made me sick. You don't have to think about the negative feelings, but realistically, you will not write that you made 50k a month, end of the story. Maybe the first day, yes. But second and third and other days, you will talk about all the responsibilities that will come with it, and necessities that will come with it. This is a part of your alignment. You cannot only align with the positives. You cannot only align with that dream. You will and need to align with that whole picture, both the negative and the positive. And it doesn't have to be negative, but you know what I mean. There will be some work to do. There will be some other responsibilities to handle. Align with the complete picture. In the morning, you're grateful. You're aligning with this best day of your life. At night, You've been through the day. It was great. You're still grateful for it, but you've also dealt with the reality, the nature flow of the day, the flow of that desire reality. And you will be still grateful for it. Trust me, you will still be grateful for it once you're emotionally aligned with that reality. So thank you so much for your precious time and being. If you want to work with me, don't forget to check out my links in the description below. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.